Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Lane. Today I am going to discuss switch statement, which is one of the conditional statements. Switch statement is very much similar to the if statement, but there is a little difference. Inside if statement, we have multiple conditions that we use in the form of if else if. And in the switch statement, we have an expression and we can have multiple answers for that particular expression. So let's move to its syntax. You can type switch and then press tab. This is the shortcut for Sublime Text Editor. Now you can see that the statement starts with the keyword switch, and here we will type our variable, and for that particular variable or expression we have multiple answers, that is multiple cases. This variable will match its answers to different cases like case 1, case 2, and if there is a match then it will execute the code of related match. And if it doesn't match, then it will execute this default case. Notice here that each case ends with break statement, which makes sure that if the statement matches a true case, then it will not move to the next case and it will come out of the switch statement. Now let's move to an example. Let's take a variable flavor, and let's assign it value vanilla inside the quotes because it is a string. Now here in the variable, let's type our variable which is flavor. Let me copy this. And in the case 1, let's type vanilla inside the quotes because it is a string. So case 1 is a string which is vanilla. Let's type the code here and let's type your favorite ice cream is vanilla. Now this switch statement will match this case and will execute it. Let me show you the output. You can see here that it is showing your favorite ice cream is vanilla because we have assigned vanilla to variable flavor and it is matching the case 1. Now let's create another case that is mango. And the code for mango here, that your favorite ice cream is mango. You can see the output here. Let me refresh the window. It is showing you the code of case 1 because the code of case 1 is true. Now let's change this value to mango. You can see that the code in the case 1 is false and the code in the case 2 is true. So it is going to execute the code in the case 2. Let me refresh the window. You can see here that it is showing you your favorite ice cream is mango. Now let's understand what is the use of this default case. Let's write the code here. Your favorite ice cream is not in the list. Now let's change this value to chocolate. Let me show you the output. You can see here that the case of default statement is executed because the case 1 which is vanilla and the case 2 which is mango, both these cases don't match with the answer. So it is executing the code in the default case. So this is how a switch statement works. I hope you are clear with this. In the next video, we will deal with some loops.